Hello again, loves. Rebecca here with a 3/4 Designs August collection review. So the first one we got, let's zoom in so you guys can actually see what's going on here, is Xmas Magic. So we've got all this fun stuff that goes with it and some extras as well. So let's move these to the side and let's go through the designer paper. So this is the back side, so it does give you, like, they give you some designs, some templates, and then no waste packaging. So we get this beautiful, we get some ornaments up there, realistic looking poinsettias, and then some mixed media. And the branding strip says, "It's Christmas Eve. It's the one night of the year when we all act a little nicer. We smile a little easier. We cheer a little more." So we're going to go ahead and put that right there. I think we can zoom in so you can maybe see that. There is going to be a glare on the screen just for un momento. Then we have this fun, so the B-sides are very solid papers, you know, tone on tone here, very easy to use. And then you have your pre-made, is what I call them. So this is a very like seafoam to emerald diagonal stripe. On the back side of that is this beautiful My Wish List. I love that. So if you had a kid, you know, you can do all the fun things. Plus the wood grain. Oh, we can't see that anymore. Okay, maybe we're zoomed in too much. What do you guys think? Let's do it that way. Okay. And then we've got another one of those diagonal stripes. So the same as that one. It's going the other way. So they do that as well. I love that. So you have pre-made double page layouts. And then this one has a very fun old time house, all decked out for Christmas. And then this beautiful little cluster up here on the wood grain, also with some mixed media elements in there. Then we have a very pink little mixed media words. This one has got this gorgeous angel, some mixed media vibes, and then some poinsettias at the top. Then we have one in a emerald hunter green with the little wordy bits on there. And this one I'll have to do a layout about my husband because it's a train and he's all into the trains. Then some mixed media and some poinsettias. Wood grain. Who doesn't love a good wood grain? On the back side of that we have some beautiful little door decoration kind of parted here. So like I said, the layering is already done up for you. It's a pre-made page, right? I feel like my camera is... maybe not. All right, sorry. Then we have another wood grain going the opposite way, but I mean you can make it do whatevs. And just like the first one, but only we got this beautiful Santa, some poinsettias, and then the cut apart mixed media vibes as well. Then we have this beautiful tone on tone taupe. It kind of looks like a wall with some words on it. And then another pre-made, looks like torn paper, little stockings. Another one of those taupey colors. And then look at the Christmas tree. Don't know if you can see that. You can hear my dog bark in the background because she's just nobody's friend today. Then we've got another green nutcracker, some torn paper vibes on this one as well. Another one of those greens, music, torn paper, and a snow globe. Look how gorgeous that snow globe is. And then we have this right here, which is super cute with some cut aparts. And then that is the front page there. Also coming with this collection is some cut aparts. So we got a cut apart sheet of poinsettias. We have a cut apart sheet of all these decorative front doors. A cut apart sheet of ornaments and decorations. Then you have some matting photos, some what that looks like to be shiplap, that taupe color, and then this beautiful green color. And along with the kit is some already they're die cut, so you just punch them out. Look at the little kitty, oh my goodness, that's so cute. Some presents, more ornaments. Oh, look at the deer. Oh dear. All right, so that is the collection. You can also pick up some add-ons. So here's another cut apart Christmas, 25th of December, some trees. So this is an add-on. And then we have our tuck and play cards, which are also an add-on. So I'll just kind of give you a close-up here so you can kind of pause and look at that. And then, like I said, it's just your standard 2x3 and 3x4. So that's the first collection. So, oh, is this not gorgeous, you guys? Like, I cannot wait. I cannot wait, cannot wait, cannot wait to create. Oops. I know, we don't like the packaging and the crinkle. And I do, though. I actually do. I'm, like, weird like that, though. All right, so I usually take all of this, and this is kind of how I store. So like that all right there. And then we just put it right back on there. I'm going to slip this in there, which is kind of how it comes, so that you can see the packaging. And then we're going to go ahead and stick it in a bag. I know I take it out of the bag that makes lots of noise, and then I put it in another bag that doesn't make that much noise. All right, so there is that collection. And then the next collection is called Tomorrow Rainbow. So let's see what we have here. So see, I do take it out of this one. And I keep this sometimes for packaging and All right. So let me grab all of the additional stuff that comes with it. Okay. Excuse me. Let me take a drink real quick. So here's our back. Oops, sorry. Here's our back sheet with all the designs. This is gonna be, oh my goodness, look at how cute that is. Oh, in love. All right, then we have this beautiful teal or light seafoam green. And then look at those florals. Don't miss all the beautiful colors of the rainbow on the back side with that beautiful park bench. Now a little bit deeper emerald green. Oh man, look at all of these beautiful floral bits in that fabulous rainbow color. Some cobblestone brick stone walls. And then we get more florals and a cute little door. You will never find a rainbow if you're always looking down. Going slightly at an angle. Oh, look at that. So it like fades into like this denim. And then you have a beautiful window. It looks like the flowers are like melting. Okay. Listen to the rhythm of rain falling. Inside every child is a rainbow waiting to show. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is I love this piece. I just love it. I just love it. Oh, look at the little hummingbirds, and you have like a coffee cup and the street lights. And then this one is a rainbow. It's like a mixed media. It looks like it's got glitter in it, but it's just the paper. And we have another hummingbird. This is so beautiful. And then this is like a blue color, all like mixed media vibey. Oh, and then like look at the cute little froggy, and then like the raindrops, and oh. Are you guys getting excited as me, or is it just me? So here's another one of those pieces. More rain with the tree in the background. It has been raining here forever. It does not today, but then a dark, almost sapphire blue. Oh, look at the cute little ducky. I love the pops of color. Deeper emerald, almost navy denim-ish. Mixed media vibes going on, like color explosions popping out with that bike. And then the last sheet is right here with the little toadstools. I love that. And there's your cover sheet. We have some cut aparts here with the little ducky and a butterfly and all kinds of fun stuff. So like all the blues fading into the colors. this cut apart right here, which is your wordy vibe. And we have what I call photo mats. So I trim my photos down. Look at these florals. And this beautiful bright orange. And a beautiful bright yellow. And then for your die cut pieces, we have the toadstools and the kitty and the rainbow scene and the hats and the bike and the raincoat. And then as an add-on, there is tuck and play, but all I have is this extra cut apart sheet. So this is a mini project sheet, and that you can pick up in the store. And that, you guys, is August reveal. So I will have everything linked down below. Head over, pick up this collection and the Christmas collection too. I will see you guys later with another video. Bye.